How to add music to Facebook post iPhone. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view pages and friends' posts. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, tap on Photo or Video. From here, you can choose photos or videos from your camera roll to post on Facebook. Select the photo that you want and then tap on Next below. Here, you can manage the post settings such as post audience. Tap on the Add Music option as shown. You can now view and listen to all the suggested music over here. Select any to listen to the track. If you want to add the music to your post, then tap on Done at the top right corner. Once you're done, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully uploaded the photo and music to Facebook. Tap on the post again to view it. Following these steps, you can easily add music to Facebook post iPhone.